The insurance industry is in full-blown digital transformation, adapting to our new normal. Many of these changes were already in motion, but have been accelerated by impact of recent global events. From the insurance markets through to their broker partners, delivering efficient and effective marketing automation strategies is the new digital imperative. From keeping all stakeholders on the same page to driving net new growth, it's never been more important to have timely, accurate, and relevant digital avenues to reach your customers. And with the growing desire for paperless transactions, the ability to execute successfully on these strategies is critical. The need is clear, and everyone agrees. But how do you deploy marketing automation strategies in your business? The complexities in this industry are high, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Delivering a solution at scale requires the right strategy and the right platform technology to enable it. Welcome to Goose Digital, your partner in marketing automation. For over 5 years, we've helped insurance carriers and brokers solve their unique challenges to execute successful marketing automation strategies. From driving up ROI on your new business campaigns to improving engagement on your customer marketing, we help you leverage the power of marketing automation technology where you need it the most. If you're new to marketing automation or ready to take your existing programs to the next level, we can help. Contact us today and register for a free marketing automation workshop so you can find out how these strategies can help your business adapt to the new normal of insurance.